Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday the 13th. Yes, May the 13th, 2022. We have here two puzzles already solved, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. So one puzzle is left. And this will be a Tectonic with 4 stars. I won't do them all in this additional. There are 6 extra puzzles, but it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, so otherwise it will be a day job. But let me start with this Tectonic with 4 stars. Number 4549. 45549. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. 14 could be an easy one, could be a hard one, I do not know. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes here. I see here a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. How about the following question? Yes, no dual boxes anymore, you know. Triple box, I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. And when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Here, another triple box. Inside box near the middle box. It's always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can be a 5. Should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Following question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. Cannot fill any numbers here. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 2. Here also a quadra box, cannot fill those numbers yet. More quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Here we have a shape. Let me draw this here. Oh. Let me do this again here. Alright. This figure. Alright. Can you see this figure or shape, construction, structure? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So, in this case, it's a 4. Same number. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following structure or construction. How about the L shape? Here we have an L shape. Let me draw this here. We have the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle, yeah. Here, rotated. This one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Wow, 4 of them. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following figure or shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. So it should be a 2. Alright. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more shapes? No. This is the last one. Only 3 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. There are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, the following step, it's easy then for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. This box can be a 2. This box can also not be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 2 and a 4. The other pair in this L-shaped area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2, and that box can also not be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes around the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. It's in the same area. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then this box can be a 1. That box can also not be a 1, so 1 box left for that 1 in this L shape area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 3 and 2, 3 and 2. Well, now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 1, and this box can also not be a 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 1, and this box can be a 3. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final number in this area should be for the number 2. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. Because I've told you, 14 digits, printed digits. Hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. So it's an easy one. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai, Sudokus, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now. Yes, we can. Bye bye.